Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, August 22nd, 2023. It is 5:07 and 6 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Zinc Air batteries. So let's hop to it here. Move over lithium-ion, zinc air batteries, a cheaper and safer alternative. A new superior alternative has emerged in the world of sustainable battery systems. Date August 21st, 2023. Source: Edith Cohen, University. The scientific investigators and researchers discovered lithium-ion batteries, although a popular choice for electric vehicles around the world, face limitations related to cost, finite resources, and safety concerns. Rechargeable zinc air batteries are becoming more appealing because of their low cost, environmental friendliness, high theoretical energy density, and inherent safety. With the emergence of next-generation long-range vehicles and electric aircraft in the market, there is an increasing need for safer, more cost-effective, and high-performance battery systems that can suppress the capabilities of lithium-ion batteries. A zinc air battery consists of a zinc negative electrode and air positive electrode. The major disadvantage of these has been the limited power output due to poor performance of air electrodes and short lifespan until now. The scientific breakthrough has enabled engineers to use a combination of new materials such as carbon, cheaper iron, and cobalt-based minerals to redesign zinc air batteries. The new design has been so efficient to suppress the internal resistance of batteries, and their voltage was close to the theoretical voltage, which resulted in high peak power, density, and ultra-long stability. In addition to revolutionizing the energy storage industry, this breakthrough contributes significantly to building a sustainable society, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating environmental impacts. And by using natural resources such as zinc from Australia and air, this further enhances the cost effectiveness and viability of these innovative zinc air batteries for the future. While renewable resources such as solar, wind, and hydro energy play a critical role in the future of green energy, they are not completely reliable solutions, as they are intermittent sources of energy. And due to the abundance of zinc available in countries such as Australia and the ubiquity of air, this becomes a highly viable and reliable energy storage solution. And this is a professor of space technology, advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.